Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 165 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristband on this watch. If you want to change the strap or the wristbands on this watch, the first thing you will need to do is to remove the old ones. And to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this quick release lever basically. And how it works is basically you need to pull on it and it will release the strap and you can take it out. So if you grab it with your fingernail or something else and then pull on the lever like this, it will release this pin, and once it releases the pin from the hole right here on the watch, it will let go of the strap and you can take it out. So pull on the lever. Let me use this finger like that and take out the strap. Okay, and here we have our straps and our watch. Also the mechanism works, how the mechanics works is quite simple. You basically pull on the lever and what it does, it retracts this pin. So if you pull on it, the pin hides. And that's how you release the mechanism. Okay, and if you have the new straps and you want to put them back on, you take the strap, you put the end farther from the lever, so the other end, into a hole right here in the watch, or on the watch, like this. Pull on the lever to retract the pin, then align the pin, release it when it's on the next to the hole, and it's gonna snap in and hold the strap. Do the same for the other side. So put the farther end into a hole, pull on the pin so you can hide it, align the pin, release it, and it's gonna snap on. Okay, and here we have it, back with the straps on. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.